Okay, let's go.
Good morning, brother. Might I say good afternoon, good evening. So just 1 minute, I set up the Discord. Can you hear me, everyone? Do you hear me? Okay, perfect. Perfect. Sharing the screen, tac. And live. So, how you feel that looking at every setup of these trails that we did made from the, but it has been really one setup and just adding or opening a new short on the rejection from the key level of yesterday, even on the live. And yeah. So fine to me. I hope that everyone is doing fine. So, look at this bearish divergences on this exochart, okay? You have absorption on this value area, okay? And you start to have a small absorption, but here, long position, and then you can see that it just did squeeze a little bit a late short position, okay? If we are looking just at that one, how this has been pattern from here to here. So still the same, we still the same, done the same as yesterday, and every people going and taking long position here, and price keep reversing, and it doesn't stop it at all. So we have this VWAP session currently at this 26,560. Honestly, let me just looking at this. We have here absorption. We have this inverted here, okay, inverted pattern, and we have attempt of absorption. Small area here, as you can see, consolidation. So price could just come back inside, testing this, and then looking at if we are going to continuation or just consolidation. Or a little bit more development, but when you are taking, when the prices come back to this 26,000 and then attempting this value area low here, the 26,300, you have that to know when you are seeing this, okay, this absorption here, and that the CVD is keep rising, but price is just going, as you can see, we are every single time ending more down, okay, more lower. So just be careful about this until that we doesn't have a change, and take your profit, a minimum of 50% profit when you're scalping a long position on this. Same as here. People that did taking scalp long position, they did have regret as the price did goes lower. And look at all of this liquidation, okay? All of this liquidation from the long position, okay? Somehow, this 1.4 and 24 million, 50 million look like nothings, but when you are looking at this 925 million, it starts to be something. You know what I mean? So, as long, okay? I will separate this because I would like that you understand this current ledge, okay? And this one is at 25,900, okay, 908, okay? So, you have a range, the current moment, okay? You have expansion that can continue lower, hit a key level and then having rebounds, okay? And you are currently on the middle of this range, okay? And on this middle of this range, you have a ledge here, okay? You have the price that are ledging. So as you can see, you have small consolidation here, okay? You have a small consolidation here. You have a small consolidation here. But what are important for us, okay, is that to know we have a ledge, okay? So you understand that once again, on this price action, you don't have that to run because price is just currently developing and you are just waiting patiently, okay, that to have a strong absorption from the side, okay? And look at this, and I repeat again, oh my god, that's scary, that's scary, but yeah, we can go and scalp, but I mean, okay, as if you are scalping and taking if you are taking here, okay, long position, and then you are closing here, all it's fine on your scalp, as long as you understand every side that receive an absorption. And look at this, okay? You have here absorption, then you reclaim above, and from this above here, then you have acceptance, okay? You can see you have acceptance and price rise, and you are squeezing, okay, late short position. Then you have long arrival. This stop, but look at the CVD. The CVD did rise, okay, indicating that of course you have people coming in, okay, you have your long position, okay, but you doesn't have a breakout above this previous value area low, sorry, and you doesn't make the recandle and range consolidating above this supply, okay, that then reclaim and attempt this 26,560 VWAP, okay. I have a question on the ledge. The way I have read it in the past is that they are 2 TPO. That's always what I'm talking about, okay? What you will read on Google and what you will exercise and you will practice, this will be a new experience, okay? So of course that when you are looking at the market profile for a general meaning and a term about the ledge, okay, I will show you. When you are looking at your TPO, between 2 TPO, you have a ledge. You have this ledge here and you have, you have this ledge, okay, at the top, and you have this ledge at the bottom on this Vival and Viva, okay? But differently, and by a combination and backtest that I made with the two maker fibs, and also I did develop, okay? I did develop a little bit more on this methodology, okay? If you are looking at Axia Future, because Axia Futures has been one of the most and first that to learn every traders since a long time ago, okay, more than 10 years ago, about the ledge and about the market profile, okay. But then when you are looking at all of this, now look at this. I did place it this yesterday, as we break, we bounce or no, as we ledge and we go down, okay. But when you are looking at between two time price opportunity, mean your market profile, mean your TPO, you doesn't have all significant price action. Okay, my real sale is you have it. Okay, you are seeing bid, you are seeing ask in real time price that are moving, that are in a movement, but you are not able to have a little bit more insight. Okay, if I'm just telling you that on this range là, okay, on this range là, as people did have this, okay, that you have, oh, I'm taking this, that you have this median, that you have this top, that you have this bottom. And what you have that to know is that just at the below of this median, consider it as a top, you have a ledge. And here, you have a ledge at the bottom. And the same as this top, okay, as this top of the range. And this is very important because most of the people that are only Googling, copy pasta, trying that to teach, trying that to copy pasta every course on Google, that are not making any development that can be useful because time evolves. And all of this could be played, okay? It's not could be, are very good played if you have experience, that then you know that you have many ledge on this smallest range. While at the same time you already know, okay, by looking at your time price opportunity, at your market profile, that you have ledge at this top and ledge at this bottom. But then you have only two range. And why you have only two range? You are always emotional because you are not understanding what the price is doing by going up, down here. And you doesn't know then that you have two range from this low to just below this Vival. You are not knowing that you have two range. And by just following the price action on this two range, you will be able to know if you really have that too long or if you have that to put more size on your short. And that to continue. Because that's for me what mean not selling course online, what mean not copy pasta a blog, what mean show real proof and experience and backtest and development of new materials and stuff. So I hope that this has been enough clarity. And then of course, from the two maker fibs, from the way that I use my ledge on the market profile, and it's this that you have to understand. I have the market profile. But when I'm giving you the ledge using the two maker fibs, you have got to understand that it's two things different. Okay? Do not misunderstand when we are talking about the two makers. Okay? The Fibonacci. The law that I made for the Fibonacci that I am using with the algo bots. Okay? How it's running, how liquidity are staking, making, and taking back again from the market. Look at this. I told this koala that to stop to focus on his main line. I respect its behavior, but just when you are using a software, you are reading price action. It doesn't matter about the liquidity that are here or that are below. Because on this range here, you are the liquidity of this market. You are maker, you are taker. Remember some things. What the market gives you, take it back from you if you are not able to know when you have to stop yourself. Okay? Another thing, and that is surprising me a lot. You have a candlestick here, and look at this 3 black row. Okay? You are on a 15-minute time frame. Look at this 3 black row. And you have people taking long here. You know? So when you are looking at the principle, and I repeat again for everyone, when you have these fibs, and every single of these fibs, okay? Every single when you are using, and you all know today, the 2 maker fibs, we already use it, 3 to 5E, and then, okay. Now when you are looking, you have the median from these fibs to these fibs, that means you have 50% here, okay? Now, you have to understand some things. If price did this, or if price did this, that's 2 different things on the ledge, as the same as if it's do this, or if it's do this, okay? And if you have a break down, example from these fibs, and the price is just above the 50%, and the ledge is doing this, you will have a chance to reclaim, okay? So you will have a take profit here on a long position, and you will look at here, and here, that if the price continue to have acceptance or rejection, and then you are reversing and putting more size on your short or opening more a fresh scalp short, okay? So that is very important to understand the system of the ledge. And no, I know that a lot of people and a lot of even CT, okay, crypto Twitter and leader are copying Google and are looking at the ledges, okay? We say this, we go retain. I don't think that is all of this, okay? As the first ledge come. And if it's fire here, ledge will come this, okay? You have 50% here. And then you could have it here and just price right back, retesting ledge. But then this 50% here to this 50% here is a range of consolidation. And so this is what you will have on your market profile on the exochart. And then this is what you will have, and that will be called the ledge on your time price opportunity. Okay? The difference is when you doesn't have this exochart, that you can still use the method of the ledge with more insight, with more precision, using the 2 maker fibs with the Fibonacci. Okay? But you have also that then be aware and that to follow your volume, okay? Because it's very important. How much did Bondo told me? 29,000. Wow, Bondo, 25,800, right? We'll see. I told you, I will keep my swing short open, okay? So I told you, as long as the price is just keep playing with people, because you have all people taking long here. And yeah, what did you want that I'm staying too hard when I'm, what the fuck is just 1 minute, sorry. I did, okay, so, let's continue. Anju, I hope that this has been clear for you. I hope that you did understand the difference when I'm talking about ledge by using the 2 maker fibs, and when I'm talking about the ledge on the TPO, okay, on the market profile, using the exochart. Okay, right, if it's clear, let's looking at what we have that to be aware for the next. So taking out all of this stuff now. Where is this? Up, I have this macro, back here. I have this row. I have this one. Okay. So that's much more clear. And good evening, Fabaluga. It's been a long time, brother. I hope you are fine. I hope you are making money. I hope you are not making me losing my time, Fabaluga. No, I'm joking, brother, I'm joking. So, everyone right now, and I have to delete this because it's from last time. Everyone right now, I will sharing this fibs to yours, okay? So please, because I'm using this template right now, so please, I will give you all 3 minutes that you copy and clone and save these 2 fibs, okay? Because they are important and because you have all of the level, okay? And you have that to understand and that to remember the law of these 2 maker fibs when I'm using this Fibonacci. Remember that the 88.6%, okay? The 88.6% is a fibs that I'm using for swing, okay? A negative or a positive, as you can see from here, and that's always the same, okay? From here, swing to the eye, then you hit a golden pocket, okay? And you doesn't have short consolidation and acceptance above it, okay? And the price is breaking. So what you could thinking about it is that as long as the price doesn't have acceptance from the golden pocket, the price will just back and try to swing to the negative fibs, okay? Positive fibs, negative fibs, okay? Remember, up and swing, here, swing, okay? Look at that, what the price, where is the price right now, okay? So you have to understand that you give the price time that to develop, okay? Now you have formation of a triangle here. Look at this before you have a formation of a triangle here, okay? And at this triangle, did have a breakdown, okay? So you will see where this triangle is going that to do things, okay? Where is this? So, well, okay, up and up, okay? You have an entry here on this triangle, and you have the first point, second point, third point, and then last point, and breakout come of this triangle. Don't ask me, that's what triangle is work, okay? If you know your lesson and even this is basic technical analysis, okay? So you have entry here, you have 0, you have 1, you have 2, you have 3, you have 4, and you have 5. That means you have 5 waves that are flat. Inside a TPO that have ledge and ledge. And then, not only on the TPO, but also when you are looking at your ledge here, and ledge here. Okay? So if you are looking just simply to basic stuff on this line, okay? And just simply, I hate this mouse. I have to change my mouse. And you have another from here. Oh. And you have this, okay? Current ledge. Okay? So you are able to understand when you have trading view and you are using your average and looking at the volume just on the important exchange, okay? Don't really get matter to have all of your exchange that you, this it's, doesn't need it, okay? So just keep on basic technical analysis that we are facing right now, okay? And just simply you have from here, you have this down, okay? So you have 0, you have 1, you have 2, you have 3, you have 4, and you have 5, okay? And by knowing this, acknowledging this, you already know that it's a triangle. That's technical analysis, that's very purely basic, okay? And then, what you could know about this triangle? Okay? Break. It starts from here, sorry. Okay. Break above, and look at, you're on the median of the ledge. Break above, and then you have this 26,600. And if you are breaking below, then you have this 25,800, 700. Okay? Technical analysis. And no, I'm showing you some things, just that to bring some things on your mind, because nothing is a coincidence on a market, on a market profile, sorry. So look at the key. Look at the key that you are seeing right now. You have a previous buy tile at this 25,800, while you did have stop on this today buy tile. Okay? So you have that to understand from previous level of confluence to developing level, mean the current one, the current time right now, are just all of confluence. And the time price average action previous one or developing one are just all of confluence. And this is why this is why the to make a fibs, this is why the technical analysis that I'm learning to you, that I are all giving methodology every single day. This is just why all of this stuff is important. That's not a Google pasta. And more you will bring yourself into this empowering traders live stream 4 times per week, the more you will understand this price action. Right now, if I did have that to ask you, are you going to take a long position here, or are you going to take a short position? The first answer that I would like that to hear from you is, okay, JR, in terms of technical analysis, we have this candlestick here. Okay, so if I would like that to take a long position, JR, I would like that to see a retest on this buy tile and have an absorption here from long position and short position getting out, and then we squeeze and we have delta that start to turn a little bit more positive with an open interest increasing, showing no bullshit but real absorption on this candle for make a reversal. And then we will attempt this 26,300, okay, from this VWAP. Or the second option, JR, I'm looking at if price make a retest, because we're right now on the middle of this range. I do not want that to get shopped inside, so I would like, and I will wait the option 1 or the option 2. The option 2 is that one. I will wait if we have a clear reclaim about VWAP on this 26,300, then have a small range just and have a ledge just a little bit above. Okay, up, back here, just a little bit above. Okay, look at that. Let me take. You have 50%. Okay, you have 50%. So what my meaning is did I have JR on this here arrange about this Vival, okay, a continuation of that are showing me that we are absorbing this level and then that we will continue. But you also have that to understand something very important, okay? You are trading this price action right now, okay? So you have to understand when you did enter scalp long position here as the first, you have the target of this 38%, okay, to 50%. And it's up to you that to take your first take profit, as I always learned you, because it's a scalp. And then you have your stop loss in a profit and you are doesn't matter. And as long as it's continue, then you are just simply continuing that looking at the validation, yes or no. And now when you are looking at this top here of the range, okay, what are your, what the fuck happened? When you are looking at taking this percent here, and look at this, you have the golden pocket here. So, when you are seeing that you have the 66% that are placed here, you did acknowledge that you have this 26,600. Now back into your trading. Okay, look at this. You have 26,600 from technical analysis, and you have this negative atomic fibs at the 66%. Okay. The whole matters is that if you are using the atomic fibs that I placed into this range, you are using it that to making swing generally. And if you want that to scalp same as it's doing between the feeds, then you can choose simply the method that I gave and using proper technical analysis, and that this will be not a bullshit. Look at this. Not X is bullshit because all will be on the price action. Okay? Yeah, of course that you can take scalp, but you know, it's really depend and matter of the size that you are using. As currently for me, scalping inside this range is not interesting at all. Okay, that's just ending paying fees for notice. Okay, so back no on your exochart. Okay, and that did Andrew have understood sorry the ledge, okay, from the TPO and the ledge from reading view. Okay, là you can see 1 and 2, 3 and 4. For me as a 4 ledge that I'm using principle into scalp and into swing between the two maker feeds, okay, with the Fibonacci, but using my proper rules, not Google copy paste. And then you have this time price opportunity, looking at your market profile and where development is showing you excess or loss of strength from long, from short, if you are on perpetual futures, or long, or buyers or sellers if you are on spot. Okay? Time price and opportunity. No, when you are looking at your cluster, when you are looking at the cluster, look at what I did say, and look at the price did stop when we started this live at this and started to reverse. And I tell you, we have one range, and then we divide it between 3 parts. And only every part you have a 50%. That means you have ledge at the top, ledge at this bottom, ledge at this top, ledge at this bottom. And then ledge. What the fuck happened? Ledge at this top and ledge at this bottom. Okay? And look at clearly how they use absorption and where you have acceptance or rejection. Loss of momentum. Look at the delta bars, look at the bearish, okay, and the attempt that to create bullish, okay, divergences. But the bullish divergences will only work if you are breaking through these previous bearish divergences. You did have to acknowledge this, you did have to understand. Same when you have on TradingView and you are looking at MACD, RSI, and everything, okay, at the divergences, if you want that the price is making a reversal from downtrends to uptrends, you have that to first invalidate the small divergences and that we have a bigger one and that we have a validation of it. Okay, as long as this doesn't happen, price is just keep doing the same. Talk to me for a while. So, what is this music? What is this music? Just 1 minute. Not looking. Why this music doesn't? Okay, I'm opening another music. We go this time for Beyoncé. Okay, Jay-Z told me, JR, you have that to listen a little bit more newest music. So I understand we have David Gaetings and we have Beyoncé things. Okay, I'm joking. I doesn't listen this. Okay, just that to be clear. So look at this. Look at this here. Okay, you are looking at this. Oh, what's happened from here, JR? But you just have a rejection. Okay, and doesn't have acceptance. from this 50% ledge, that to ledge, and consolidate at the above, and just you are coming back under and keeping on the bottom of this middle range here. Okay, remember that all of this stuff that's just inside the range, and you are between two key level. Okay, simply these two key level are playing with the Fibonacci to make a Phillips, and look at this. Okay, from this 25,800 for market profile on Drew. Okay, to this value area low on Drew. Okay, and you have a ledge on this TPO. Okay, but this is the cluster. But it's what I showed just 5 minutes early. Okay, so is it what you are currently looking at? This is what you're currently when you're scalping on this, and you are not a damn fool that to say up only, down only on your scalp, and you're just looking at acceptance or absorption, rejection, or acceptance. Okay, as long as we are keeping doing this, and look at this. I don't even know if you are reading properly what's happening right now. You have a CVDs that are increasing. Look at the CVDs. Okay, you are able to see 480 million, 580 million, 600 million, and soon we will go into this 700 million. Okay, but tell me some things that you doesn't understand here. Okay, look at this CVD line that are keep rising while the price declining, and still from yesterday when I did talk to all of you on this live, it's just continue it. Okay, and look at this. Because all of this, when you are looking, okay, you have to understand, look at this delta. You are seeing positive delta, while the price is still declining. That means you have to understand that you have someone that are absorbing all of these buy and long position. We are long position, okay? That are absorbing this long position, but also the bid, okay? Then tell me some things what is wrong. If you are right now just keeping yourself and that you are doesn't see something very important that I will repeat to you right now, just as this is simply every single time, okay? Every single time. Look at the price. I'm able to break short 66 to 78%. Good evening, Laura. I started the live little bit later today because I wished that to give a chance to everyone in Europe, in UK, in Romania, in everywhere, okay? Picture, that to be present on this live, okay? That arrive nearly at their dinner and that to be present on this live. Thanks me later. I know I'm so full of good intention, alright? So you are able to understand it doesn't break 66 to 78%. And now if you are looking every single time, okay? So once again here, from this to this, okay? Oh, but that's one has been very the low one, okay? Boom, range, swing low, scalp low to scalp high, look at 38% to 0%, and bam, down, okay? Now let's continue and look at a little bit more. You have not all of these prices of this range, even you are looking at this, okay? 34%, 38%. Now look at the current range. You have none of it since that the price and this CVD has been showing you that someone is absorbing all of this price and you aren't able to make a reversal trend. Okay? Look at this, just simply. If you know how to use this at the basic of the Fibonacci, look at this. You aren't able to break 100%. Okay? And remember some things that are very important. I'm not sure if I have the extended level. I have the extended level. Okay? You could have and always, sorry, you could always have a fake out until the 113% to 150%. And this is important for you that to understand that you know about it. Okay? That's very important. Because look at, if price comes out here, it will just taking out all of this short position. And if you are just breaking above this VWAP, okay, above your VWAP session, but then on the 3-candle consolidation, you doesn't have strong absorption, and at the opposite, you will get back and nuke. You will get back and did nuke. Okay? And look at that. This is is a big subject that we are going on next week with the VWAP, because I'm tired to see people not using VWAP really properly, that to swing, that to scalp, macro, and micro range, and that make me so sick. Okay? So just be careful, because look at these people here. Alright, I'm going full on to the moon. Wow. Okay? You have to understand that you will always have kind of a range above this VWAP and below this VWAP, as you have supply and as you will have demand if you are breaking above it. Okay? 26,179 right now. Okay? You get all of this short. Your PNL are good today. You are thankful. You make profit. You are not thankful to me for the live. You are thankful to yourself to be present yesterday and before yesterday. That to take this shot, that to have followed properly and observed this price action. And that it's only you did click and take profit and put your stop loss and not me. You are thankful to yourself. So let's continue and drive on into this. Okay? You want that to break. You want that to break this. You want that to break this. Okay? You want to invalidate this. You want to break this. And you want that to touch it. Okay? The weekly, monthly VWAP. Okay? And previous range, you have this very, very high current range, sorry. I have a cut on my throat. I don't know how you say it in UK and in America. You have a cut on your throat. Yeah, something like that. So as long as you are all understanding this, you did. How do you say it in French? But this is a good question. Just give me some second. I will remember about it. Give me some second. How did I say it in French? Whoa. It's been a long time. It's also a good question. I don't remember. Need to ask Roma. So look at this. And now I will clean. I will clean all of this stuff. Okay? Tabaluga, welcome back. I don't know what you are doing, Tabaluga. I'm cleaning all of this. And then you are just understanding that what you have, that looking. And this is your trade to be set. Okay? You are just looking at this. Okay? All of this range in this middle, it doesn't matter. Okay? And no, I got, and no, let's back on the TPO. Okay? And now please try that to understand this. Okay? That it's all matter that you are looking at. Okay? Look at this, you have a poor development here on this low. While at this height, you have a little bit more development, but still remain poor. You have an open on this 27,200, and look at that, where are we right now? Okay? Directly on this buy pile here. You will remember some things with me. These green bulbs are my open, day, and these are my closing day. Depending on on what I'm looking at. Okay, you can just simply, when you are using simply same as me, I have these 4 hours and I have the session. Okay, so I like that to look the 30 minutes and the 4 hours time frame. Okay, currently for this price action, I gotta see something on my throat. Oh. So yeah, you are currently waiting that to set your trade. Okay, as rejection. Okay, on this VWAP or as acceptance above it, same once again as a retest on this buy time, absorption of it, or lose completely momentum that to make reversal once again, and this price will decline at your next key level. Okay? So I'm just showing you a step by step as you can follow directly this price action. That do not rush, and just a step by step. Okay? And remember, I will say it once again on this live. My swing short position remain open. Of course, then I did make a take profit on, but it's off now until that I doesn't have change, okay? Until that I doesn't have a change from all, and not just from my delta, not just from the opening interest, because opening interest is both of the contract, but you have that looking which are opening, which are closing. Okay, I will quite zero here. Sorry. Okay. Now, long position. Long position that are closing while you are trying that to break trades above it. Okay, and if you have open interest in your king, okay, you will make once again a swing failure pattern of this V-val. Okay, and then back to middle of this range, and then legging above it, losing it, legging just below it before attempting coming back on this key. Okay, all of this very, very basic stuff. And that's just all about patience, all about observation, that to set your trades. Put a like, I know that you are loving this live right now. I'm dying myself. So, did someone have a question at the moment? Okay? Because I'm telling you something, is that I'm remain swing short, and I did take profit, okay? Take profit because we eat your specific fees. Okay? And look at this. And you will see, wow. Technical analysis are so beautiful, and that's why I asked it from leaders. Just only 1-3 minutes of live stream. But well, enough talking about it. Look at this. I did place this, and now look at what it's doing. and you are not able to see it here, okay? But if you are currently looking at this, look at that price, what it do, okay? You have this small consolidation here, okay? Well, where is it? Sorry. You have this small consolidation here. And price reverse and go back to the above. And you will, and remember, that's always the same question that you are asking me, but Gia, I don't fucking understand. Because on your TPO, like Andrew said, but yes, but I did so on Google, on the TPO, on the market time price, on your on the ledge, on your market profile, you have this ledge up and this ledge down, okay? Generally between two TPO, okay? Between two TPO. So of course, if you are looking at your daily TPO and you are looking at the session TPO, these aren't the same, okay? And if you are understanding when you go short all above it and then combining all above it, you have this median here and you have a separation high and separation below. Once again, you have this range here. While people here, them run and them took short. And look at the price. The price is reversing up because them doesn't know about this. Because they doesn't know about this. Because they are not lucky to receive an education same as you are receiving yours right now by myself. Look at this. Small consolidation, flirting middle of this ledge, and remember what I did say, and that I'm once again trying that to explain. You have a fibs. So between the fibs, example between these fibs or even these little fibs, okay, you have two kinds of throw that you will see on the ledge. This, when it's do like this, price coming from this upside to going into the ledge. And holding the 50% doing this. Price will just reverse and once again squeeze this ledge short here. If price at the opposite break the 50% of this ledge, let's say at the opposite case is break it, but then doing this will back also and reclaim. And another example, once again, if you have ledge breaking, okay, but this time making 1, 2, and then third candle start losing momentum, okay, you will have small fake out that will reclaim just above this ledge, and then directly back down here, okay, and that is what crypto shark did token just early, but on a bigger triangle, okay. So that's always what I like that we use on a very small frame, on the biggest time frame, and just look at this, up, and up, you know. That's just, but remember some things. You have this range. And so when price is just going, like making a mountain, going back inside, or at the opposite, going out and back inside the ledge, you know, that's just sticking out. Because you will take a long position thinking you go up here, while price come back inside this triangle. Because you will take short below it, because you think price will break down, as it will just ledge back inside triangle. That's what we are calling the fake out. Okay? By the upside, by the downside. I don't care about the really mean about this. I make my mean about it and I'm explaining right now. Doesn't fucking care about Google, nor about ChatGPT, nor about any crypto Twitter. Okay? Là. How you feel about this life today? Are you loving it? Are you gaining knowledge from this? Do you love it? Put a like, put a heart. Right, thank you, love it. I know, let's looking at some things. I will show you a little bit more insider, but okay, we are on the 3-minute time frame. I will show you a little bit something more, but I do not want that you use this 1 minute, okay? Keep it on the 3 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, okay? I do not want that you trade on the 1 minute time frame because you aren't able to count your wave, okay? But I'm showing you some things right now. Look at this. You have a reversal here, okay? So price goes up, price back down, okay? 1 and 2, okay? Then you are seeing these 3 here, and you have down and up once again, smallest one, okay? Same as here, smallest one. Same as here, smallest one, okay? Price did, and look at this. We fix a range here, to range here, okay? As price just doing this, and all above it, on 3 candle, if it's odd, you will see price back taking out this short. If it doesn't hold the body, generally I like that to use a stronger price action than the current one right now. If it doesn't all of this, the 3 candle, you will see price simply. Okay? And a lot of people talking always about the Wyckoff distribution accumulation. You know, is it a bad thing that to use it on a minute and eventually on an hourly if you aren't able to read properly the order flow and your market profile, and if you know your order book at the same time on your eyes, in front of your eyes, okay? You should never use any kind of Wyckoff accumulation on the lowest time frame, okay? So, yeah. all of technical analysis, they are just all linked, but just people are very so bad, and they are just so very bad, and they make a bad illusion, and they are lying to themselves that the thinking methodology and copy pasta and blah 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 are all of the best in the world, that to stay and that to remain the best traders, and that to bullshit everyone on social. So what did I say to rekindle? Okay? But well, anyway, like I say, I do not want that you use this time frame. Not until that you are an accomplished trader on a bigger time frame. Okay? So yeah, that has been a very good session, that we are looking, that we are talking, that we are observing, that we once again preparing your next trade, okay, your next setup. Why did it not click? I'm clicking 3 to 5 times on this. My God. So yeah, but basic, basic stuff, basic stuff. And this is really useful because you are combining technical analysis from triangle, you are combining Theops wave on this triangle, and inside of this, you have my methodology of delayage. Okay, and then you have with yourself that to be, because this is always, I see members always short and long, always short and long, short and long, short and long, and stop loss it, stop loss it, stop loss it, stop loss it. Please, look at this. Look at this. Just for the pleasure of CryptoShark, of Romain, of Laura, of Tavaluga, of Andrew, I gave 3 candles, and I tell you that you have 3 candles to break it or back taking out this short. Look at that, what the price did do. That's all about if you are mastering your observation. Okay? So please forget a little bit of all of the stuff that you're copying from Google, from this, from that. And yeah, do the job that you did. Pay me to come on this group and that you wish to learn from. Right. So yeah, I will cut this live right now. Everyone have to know right now where we short, where we long, because we talking about it on this live, and you are just waiting for this. Please do not, I'm asking you, do not take long and short positioning between the keys right now. Okay? Wait for the setup that we talked on this live. Wait for the opportunity that come at you. Don't rush into the trades right now. Let the price to develop and give you clear change or continuation. Okay? You don't care that to come inside this triangle, that to play this 3 minutes. Okay? Keep your life, observe, learn from it, and get ready for the setup trades that we... God. Ah, je me souviens, j'ai un chat dans la gorge. C'est comme ça qu'on dit. J'ai un chat dans la gorge. C'est comme ça qu'on dit. I told you, Romain. I told you. I have a cat on my throat. J'ai un chat dans la gorge. Right. So, told you so. I told you so before. Okay, right. Even I need to remember what it was. It's been a long time. It doesn't speak so. Okay. Even my child, and they doesn't. They did understand, but doesn't speak. So yeah. Waiting for it. And remember, if price keep doing this, remember, keep it allege, don't taking yet, giving time to develop. Okay, wow, candlestick, allez, please, dump this. Dump it for me, you don't want to, I'm on the 1 minute time frame, sorry. Oh, 15 minutes, là. Keep yourself on this 15 minutes. So, as I said, I will cut the live, and then you will have a good session that to remember, that to work on, that I will, that I did record it. Please, my God, please tell me. Yes, I did not forget that to record this. Okay? So, we are waiting, and I will be on the group, and I will telling you if what I do for the next. Okay? So, this live is now ended, and please be safe and be careful. Okay? See you all later once again on the group. Thank you so much that has been present on this live. Cheers. Love you all.